As you see from this evening's menu, we're in day 9 and we only have 11 meetings. So this meeting plus 2 more. As usual, we have our chat time, and as usual, I hope that you're using our AAA technique in your everyday life as well, in Japanese too. Well done. Yeah, so John and Maria are talking. Now, I'd like to ask you another question. Do they know each other? Did they know each other when they started talking? And everybody is saying no. Yeah. How do we know that?
They introduce each other.
Sure. Yeah. They said, my name is. Yeah.
So this is a handout about how to finish your presentation. And some people finish with a conclusion slide, other people finish with a summary slide. Both are fine. And I've broken this down into 8 steps. Number 1, signal the start of your summary. Number 2, restate the topic. Number 3, introduce main findings. The first one is signal the start of the summary. A couple of useful sentences here. I'd like to finish with a summary. This is my last slide. Either of those will be good. 2, I've called this remind the audience of the topic. And the English you need is we looked at. And this is the topic from the presentation that I'm using here. So we looked at cancer-associated fibroblasts. So here you can just introduce your topic. So for example, we looked at climate change. We looked at agriculture in Japan.
Question number 3. Can you recommend a good place to see nature in Ibaraki? How many people suggested Mount Tsukuba?
Oh.
Raise your hand. Yeah, many people suggested Mount Tsukuba. Yeah. Okay. Can you think of an example of an exciting sport, a huge country, an awesome building? Or for example, an amazing way to travel, you could make a sentence like this. Flying in a helicopter is an amazing way to travel. Exciting sport is something, something, something. Or something, something, something is a huge country. So just try to make brief sentences to highlight examples for all of these.
It's between that's great and that would be great, because I heard a couple of groups using this the wrong way. Does anyone know the difference between that's great and that would be great? A says, sure, here you go, 1 diet soda. We use here you go at the same time as we're passing the drink or whatever it is to the other person. So it's happening right now. Here you go is something you say as you're doing the action. So the answer to that, quite naturally, thanks, that's great, is in the present tense, because this action of receiving the drink is also happening in the present, right? Okay, Keiko's group, you can unmute yourself and share your conversation with us.
We are having a drinking party at my place.
Okay.
And I asked the Madoka-san that, can I get you more beer?
I better not, because I totally drunk.
Then can I get you more water?
That would be great, thank you.
Ah, perfect. That was an excellent example.